Bilis. Ming. Ming, blessed morning. Blessed morning. This is their favorite food. Sorry guys for the mushroom. Because you're not well. That's why. Ming. Eat all. This one piece I will be given to them. Okay. They are the body together. This is very calm and sweet. With this Ming. They love this bread. So, maybe they will finish soon. And then eat. You have plenty there, Ming. So try to finish all before I will give you another. So these two guys are not relatives, but they are banded together. See, now Minnie started to grow up now, and his body so very kind. Guys. See how he played the bread, or how he take it by his hand. Okay, this pulling guys, yeah. It's good that they love this bread because it has a sweet taste. Because I heard them meowing outside, and I know they went inside every time people go out, and then they immediately come inside, and our colleagues here used to entertain them and not pushing them away, because they know that we love these two cats. That's one Ming. Oh, he's so sweet. So see, they almost finished this one, Ming. Ming. See how he cuddles to me. Ming, almost done. Maybe you're already full. Ming, then come on. Yeah. Thankful guys for the blessings for these two cats, stray cats, that they've given a chance to eat well. Thank you, Lord, for your blessings to them. Yeah. God bless you more, and hope and pray for the good appetite by the two of you and the other cats outside. So you full, Ming? Say thank you. Bye-bye.